Keeping your home clean is easier when you have the right tools for the job, and this lineup of vacuums is designed to meet a wide range of cleaning needs, from intelligent robot vacuums that handle daily maintenance automatically to powerful cordless, upright, and canister models built for deep cleaning. These products combine performance, convenience, and modern innovation. Wet and dry options tackle spills and messes in a single pass, while pet-focused designs help manage hair and allergens with ease. Whether you need precision on hard floors, versatility for whole home cleaning, or hands-free automation, these vacuums deliver reliable results and smarter cleaning for today's homes. All product links are in the description, and for more product recommendation, visit thedetailedguide.com. Number 8. Dyson 360 VizNav Robot Vacuum. The Dyson 360 VizNav Robot Vacuum delivers powerful, intelligent cleaning in a fully automated design. Using Dyson's advanced vision-based navigation system, the vacuum analyzes its surroundings in real time to map rooms accurately and clean methodically. A high-performance motor generates strong suction, allowing it to capture fine dust, debris, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets. The full-width brush bar reaches edge to edge, ensuring thorough coverage along walls and corners. Smart connectivity enables users to control schedules, view cleaning maps, and monitor performance through a mobile app. Designed for precision and efficiency, the 360 VizNav offers powerful, intelligent cleaning for modern homes. Number 7. Roborock Flexi Pro Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Roborock Flexi Pro Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner offers an all-in-one solution for deep cleaning hard floors. Designed to vacuum and mop simultaneously, it efficiently removes dust, debris, spills, and sticky messes in a single pass. Intelligent sensors automatically adjust suction power and water flow based on floor conditions, delivering optimized cleaning results. The self-cleaning roller system prevents dirt buildup and reduces maintenance, while the edge cleaning design ensures effective cleaning along walls and corners. With a lightweight build and smooth maneuverability, the Flexi Pro is comfortable to use throughout the home. Its cordless design provides freedom of movement, making it ideal for kitchens, living areas, and high-traffic spaces. The Roborock Flexi Pro delivers powerful, time-saving performance for households seeking a smarter approach to floor care. Number 6. Kenmore Pet-Friendly Pop-and-Go Canister Vacuum. The Kenmore Pet-Friendly Pop-and-Go Canister Vacuum is designed to tackle pet hair, dander, and everyday messes with ease. Its powerful suction system effectively cleans carpets, rugs, and hard floors, while the sealed filtration system helps capture allergens for a healthier indoor environment. The standout pop-and-go feature allows users to quickly detach tools for above-floor cleaning, making it easy to remove pet hair from furniture, stairs, and upholstery. A lightweight canister and swivel steering provide excellent maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. The extended hose and long power cord increase reach, reducing the need to change outlets frequently. Ideal for pet owners, this vacuum delivers convenience, versatility, and dependable cleaning performance in a thoughtfully designed canister model. Number 5. Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum combines powerful suction with advanced detection technology in a lightweight design. A laser dust detection system reveals microscopic dust on hard floors, ensuring no debris is left behind. The high-speed Dyson motor delivers strong suction performance, while the multi-stage filtration system captures fine particles and allergens. Intelligent sensors automatically adjust power based on floor type and debris levels, optimizing cleaning efficiency and battery life. The slim, cordless design allows for easy maneuvering and effortless cleaning in tight spaces, on stairs, and above floors. The digital display provides real-time performance data, including remaining runtime. Designed for precision and ease of use, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim offers powerful, intelligent cleaning for modern homes. Number 4. Bissell Hard Floor Expert Multicyclonic Bagless Canister Vacuum. The Bissell Hard Floor Expert Multicyclonic Bagless Canister Vacuum is engineered for effective cleaning on sealed hard floors. Its powerful multicyclonic suction system captures dust, debris, and fine debris without loss of performance, Designed specifically for hard surfaces, the vacuum uses gentle yet effective floor tools to prevent scratches while ensuring thorough pickup. The Bagless design makes emptying simple and mess-free, while washable filters reduce ongoing maintenance costs. A lightweight canister and flexible hose allow for easy movement around furniture and tight spaces. Ideal for apartments and homes with minimal carpet, this vacuum provides consistent performance and convenience in a practical solution for maintaining clean, polished floors with minimal effort. Number 3. Shark Upright Vacuum Stratos with DuoClean PowerFins. The Shark Stratos Upright Vacuum delivers deep cleaning performance with advanced DuoClean PowerFins technology. Designed to engage floors continuously, the PowerFins dig into carpets and glide over hard floors for superior dirt and debris removal. Powerful suction captures fine dust, allergens, and pet hair, while odor-neutralizing technology helps keep the vacuum smelling fresh. The self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap, making it ideal for homes with pets. Swivel steering enhances maneuverability, allowing easy navigation around furniture and tight spaces. A sealed filtration system traps allergens inside the vacuum, supporting cleaner indoor air. Built for performance and convenience, the Shark Stratos provides reliable whole-home cleaning across multiple floor types. Number 2. Roborock F25 Combo Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Roborock F25 Combo Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner offers versatile cleaning for modern homes. Designed to vacuum and mop simultaneously, it effectively removes dry debris, liquid spills, and stubborn stains in a single pass. Intelligent dirt detection adjusts cleaning power automatically, ensuring optimal performance on different surfaces. The cordless design allows for unrestricted movement, while the lightweight body enhances ease of use. A self-cleaning brush system keeps the roller fresh and ready for the next use, reducing maintenance time. The F25's slim profile makes it easy to clean under furniture and along edges. Ideal for kitchens, living spaces, and high-traffic areas, the Roborock F25 Combo delivers convenience, efficiency, and powerful wet-dry cleaning performance. Number 1. Miele Boost CX1 Parquet. The Miele Boost CX1 Parquet is a compact yet powerful bagless canister vacuum designed for hard floor care. Featuring vortex technology, it delivers strong suction performance to capture fine dust and debris efficiently. The Parquet Twister floorhead is specially designed to clean delicate hard floors gently while providing excellent maneuverability. Its track drive system keeps the vacuum stable and on course as it moves through rooms. Hygienic filtration helps trap fine particles, making it suitable for allergy-sensitive households. Despite its small size, this vacuum offers impressive cleaning power and durability. Ideal for homes with hardwood, tile, or laminate flooring, this vacuum combines precision, German engineering, and dependable performance in a space-saving design. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more valuable content.